In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add sound effect to your TikTok video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app, then tap at that plus sign and record short video, just like that. Once you did that, tap at the check mark icon, and on the next step, at the top right corner, hit on edit. That's where you can edit your video, and in order to add a sound effect, hit right here at sound and then select sound effect. That will show you a bunch of different effects that are sorted by categories like mechanical, daily life, human voice, amusement, transition, and bunch of different other categories. Once you select a category, then you can tap at any sound to listen to it, and first off, you can bookmark it if you like it, but you don't want to use it in that particular video. So you can tap at bookmark icon to save it, or if you want to use it, just hit at use, and that will immediately add that sound effect right here at audio track. After that, you will be able to trim it from the end and from the start. Also, you can hold down it and move it left or right, just like that. And also, then you will be able to hit add sound or sound effect, and then you can add another sound effect from that list. After that, once you have done with that, do not forget to hit add save. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.